Well, today is Thursday, August the 23rd, and we're going out for number 29's third feeding. Again with the Capolite 2 in there because he's still got the runs, and there he is there. Hey, big guy. Now I'm going to show you something. Day 3, and he was eating pretty good last night, and I think he might do okay on his own here. So let's see what he does. As you see, he drank for a few minutes, or for a minute or so, and he's looking for something to suck on. So we'll give him a finger to suck on a little bit. And we'll go from there. I see by the evidence in this stall here that he's still quite watery. He's doing pretty good. He still wants something to suck here. So go back here again. But he's coming. I suspect by tomorrow he should be pretty much 100%. Yeah, we're still recording. I was afraid to shut off on me. Oh. Again, he's got Capolite 2 medicine in his milk here again this morning. That's his third treatment. Third treatment? Can't remember now. I got him on Monday, so he had it Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, or Tuesday morning. No, it was Tuesday night. And then he had it Wednesday morning and Wednesday night. And now Thursday morning, that's 3, yeah. And I'm slowly, he's just got my finger in his lips only. He's just mouthing my finger only is all he's doing. I just keep my finger just in his lips. And that's why he keeps pulling back, because my fingers just at his gums, that's it. I'm not giving him any more finger than that. Unless he totally stops drinking altogether, then I'll give him my whole full finger. But right now, my finger is just touching his outside of his gums. Okay, you have to give him some more finger here. He's not liking that, so give him some more. Because once they start drinking on their own, don't give them the finger unless they just stop drinking altogether like he's doing. But once he gets going on his own, and he drinks, say, 3/4 of the bucket, that's good enough. Leave him be at that. Don't give him any finger at all to suck on. Because the more you keep giving him the finger to suck on, the more he's going to want it. So you keep trying to pull the finger out so he gets used to eating without the finger. That's why I just put it just in his lips, so that he just feels it in his lips. And then what I'll do from there is I'll just keep my hand in the bucket with no finger for him to suck on, but he knows my hand is there, so he thinks he's sucking on it. We're going to give him another shot of penicillin this morning, which I forgot in the house. This is what costs money, is this treatment here. Because it's like, I buy this calf light tube by the case, and there's, what is there, 24 in a box, I think, and it's like $129 Canadian. And the penicillin, well, it's not too bad. It's $14 for a 500 milliliter bottle. But when you're giving 8 milliliters at a time, it doesn't go very far. Especially when you have to give the penicillin for 5 to 7 days. I'll just leave him to suck on that while I go get the syringe. See if he goes back out on his own. Yeah, I forgot the darn syringe in the house. So we'll just go and get the syringe. I'm not going to let him drink as much milk as he's been drinking, because too much milk also gives them a problem as well when they're sick. So just cut them back to the 4 liters and let them have that. Now you want to see what healthy piggies look like and how rambunctious they are. Piggy, 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 piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Piggy, 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 piggy. Piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Hi. They all come running as soon as I call them piggy, piggy, piggy. Hey, piggy, piggies. Yeah, where's the other guy? Where's the other piggy, piggy? Eh? Hey, number 29, how's she going? Eh? How's she going? Eh? How's she going? Eh? How's she going? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? I'm trying to give you some medicine. Yeah. Can you hold still? Hey, can you hold still? Hey, can you hold still? Hmm? What I'm doing with the wrong hand doesn't matter. There. Yeah. Hey, big guy. Yeah. Yeah. Just under the skin. That's all. Just under the skin. Yeah. Hmm? You want that? You can hear he's sucking it up with what little bit is left in the bottom. No, 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 no. Don't push upward. Yeah. So there you go. He's doing pretty good. He's still not feeling good, but he's actually eating on his own off and on. You can see that he's still hungry, but I don't want to give him any more than the 4 liters because it's scours. They can scour just from too much milk, and being he's taking a while to clear up here, I'm not going to give him full torque, all that he'll drink, because that'll just keep setting him back more and more. He's got the 4 liters of milk and with the Caplite 2 in there, but he's pretty spunky. Like, he's not lacking any spunk at all, so he's in good shape. He's in good shape. He's not lacking any spunk, that's for sure. As you can see, compared to yesterday's video, he was just sort of docile and just sort of just standing still, and I could put the needle in him no problem, and he wasn't trying to move around or nothing. Whereas today, he's got a little more spunk in him and a little more active than he was yesterday. Well, quite a bit more active, actually. And he didn't like the needle, whereas yesterday he just stood still for it because he was sort of like blah. But you can see he's feeling a lot better. Just want to make sure I don't see no worms in the no, nothing. it continues on, I'll take a sample and put it on the microscope. Just make sure it's not coccidiosis, but I don't think it is. I've only come across coccidiosis once. And in all the years. But it's a bright sunny day today. It's already up around 80 degrees already, but the wind is cool. So anyway, that's it, folks. Have a great day. You see how I do it here, and like, very quickly they're drinking on their own. And again, I do ask that if you can help feed people in need in the shelters and feed the livestock and get more livestock and birds and stuff, please see the links below for donations. Thank you and have a great day. Oh, by the way, somebody asked in the comments why I had them in the locked box. Well, I use these boxes for the calves, and what I do is I put that box with the forklift onto that trailer, and I transport the calves home on that. And when I did my first video, somebody asked why he was locked in there. Well, I just got home with the calf when I did the video, and so the door was still closed from traveling. Okay, have a great day.